In this video, we'll be going over 3D Matterport's most important features. 3D Matterport is a special camera that creates interactive models, allowing buyers to navigate around your listing much like they would at an open house. Buyers can navigate the listing from anywhere at any time, leading to more listing traffic and more engagement on your website. Matterport has some very useful features like laser measurements, schematic floor plans, Mattertags, Google Street View publishing, and Matterpacks. So let's go through some of these features so you can see exactly what they are and how you can use them. Let's start by opening up a Matterport tour and navigating around. On your computer, navigating is simple as using your arrow keys and your mouse to look around. And if you're using your iPhone, you can easily navigate by tapping on the location points set throughout the house. Those location points indicate the spaces you can walk and view the property from. Also, if you notice a circular image like this, it means you can click to view an outside 360 view. The next feature, measurements. Matterport lets users measure any aspect of the space, walls, windows, furniture, everything. It's really easy to do, and potential buyers at home will be able to get accurate measurement info from the comfort of their house. Inside your 3D space, you'll want to click on the ruler icon in the bottom left-hand corner. This opens the measurement tool, so then click the plus sign and mark the 2 points you would like to measure. You can measure any part of the model and as many parts of the model as you would like. Let's move on to Mattertags. Mattertags are call-out icons that can be created to insert key information into your 3D model. For example, if you wanted to highlight what brand or model the range is, you could insert a Mattertag and add a URL link inside. Mattertags are perfect for informing buyers on things like hardwood flooring type, countertop material, appliance information, and more. And we include free Mattertags with every tour, so let us know if you want them added to yours. Another useful feature is the ability to create schematic floor plans from the 3D model. These are pretty standard, typical 2D floor plans that include measurements, but it's really useful to be able to generate these straight off the Matterport tour. This means you don't need to pay for any extra services to get those floor plans. They come included with every purchase. So that wraps up 3D Matterport. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us.